Every marketing director and manager knows that video is an important part of the marketing mix. But how do you set yourself up for success when starting with video or even just a new video project? To answer that question, I have created this hard and fast video series based on our intake process, which has been instrumental to the success of our clients. By the end of this video series, you will have all the tools to take our intake process and turn it into your own onboarding process. No matter what video production company you work with, this series will set you both on the path to success. Each section addresses a fundamental aspect of the project that requires clarity up front. The more thought you invest into each section, the greater the return on investment. So, I encourage you marketing directors and managers to work through this entire process at least once before handing it off to your marketing coordinators. I know you're busy, but your own knowledge and understanding isn't something you can just delegate. But what you can do is use this process to create a thoughtful template for everyone to follow. Again, you can set up the people around you for success. Let's get started in the next video.